In this video, I'm going to talk about the 4 graphemes that make the J sound. So we have this J, G, D, G, E, J, and G, E, J sounds. One thing you should know here is that J, and G, occur at the beginning of a word, while D, G, E, J, and G, E occur at the end of a word. If you are confused how to use them when spelling, I refer you to my previous videos. I've talked about how to use it. Go and watch it. As in chat, jacket, jungle. G, Joe, as in jam, ginger, giant. D, G, E, Joe, as in lodge, badge, knowledge. G, E, Joe, as in cage, bandage, and age. Like, follow, and share. Remember to comment too. Thank you.